Welcome to our latest van build. This is van build number 25, and this is a really fun one with lots of new stuff that we've never done before.
What's up, everybody? I'm doing an awesome tour today with my friend Abby here, and she's touring Kirby's van. We're gonna get all that information in this tour. I've been wanting to tour this damn van for like a year. Kirby's not here, so Abby is an amazing fill-in that knows everything about the van.
Hi, I'm Shelby with Modern Times Van Co, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of our latest van build.